There are just 4 steps we can do to change HTML content using JavaScript. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome. My name is FZ. I am here to study with you web development. As you can see in the screen, there are 4 steps, okay? So let's start with the first one. The first one is just create an ID in your HTML element. Imagine that we have a H1, H2, P, whatever HTML element. So just put in the HTML element an ID with its name. Okay, so create an ID. The second one is to use an on-click attribute. So we create, for example, a button, and we put in the button an on-click attribute. The third one is get element by ID. So just we grab the element by the name we put in ID. Okay, and the last one is assign the new value that we want. Okay, so let's go and jump to see in practice what we say now. So let's put what we studied in practice. Okay, so what I have here, just my code pen. Okay, I have a title. Okay, and just some CSS styling. Let me open it. Just to give us a beautiful look. Okay, so let's create a P, an element P, like this, and with it, for example, okay? We close it, and let's write, for example, one thing will help you in your learning process. Click to know, for example. Click to know. Okay. Close the P, the tag, okay, and another tag, and let's choose the bottom, okay, and here we create our attribute on click, okay, on click, document get element by ID, and the ID here is example. Okay, so let's do it like this and write example. Don't worry, it's okay. And here dot inner, I'll put it bigger, inner HTML assignment operator. Okay, and let's write practice. Practice. Okay. Close our button, and let's write, for example, click to know. Okay. Close the tag. Button. Alright, so here it is. So practice. Okay. So we change the content of the P, okay, from this long sentence to this short important word. In the case that you want to come back, what we can do, come back and have the same sentence before. So we can just do this. We can just copy the button, okay? Do it here, and for example, let's write go back. Go back, okay? And here, just we copy the sentence and put it here. Here, okay, B. So, as you can see, practice, go back, we have the sentence, the long sentence. So just to sum up, in order to change HTML content, what we need to do is this. First, we have the ID, okay, the element, and we put just .innerHTML and the new value. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.